Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a VR headset. First, let's unbox your new virtual reality headset. Gently remove all packaging and any protective films from both the headset lenses and the controllers. Next, connect the charging cable and power adapter to your headset, allowing it to fully charge. This ensures a smooth initial setup without interruptions. Remember to also remove any battery tabs from your controllers and securely attach the wrist straps for safe and comfortable use. Now, it's time to get the necessary software. Download the specific companion application for your VR headset onto your smartphone or computer. If you are using a PC-tethered headset, verify your computer meets the minimum specifications, typically requiring at least 8 GB of RAM and a capable graphics card. Then, connect your headset to your PC using a high-speed USB-C 3.0 cable or wirelessly via a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for standalone devices. With the software installed, open the companion app and either create a new VR platform account or log in with an existing one. Power on your headset by pressing and holding the power button for about 3 seconds. You will hear a chime. Follow the clear on-screen instructions within the headset for initial settings like language and Wi-Fi. Finally, activate your controllers by removing any battery blockers and holding down their designated buttons to pair them with your headset. For optimal comfort and clarity, adjust the headset straps to fit snugly but not too tightly, ensuring the display is centered. Use the lens spacing wheel to fine-tune the interpupillary distance until the visuals are sharp and comfortable for both eyes. Next, set up your virtual play area, often called a guardian or boundary system, to prevent collisions. Complete any required sensor or room calibration to ensure precise tracking of your movements within the virtual environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.